Hi, I'm Garrett Timmer, and I want to introduce my channel. This is TimmerTech. So right now, I'm a senior solution architect. I worked all over the world and I've been coding since I was young, and I was always fascinated by how things worked. I got my degree in business and information technology because I didn't want to go only one route, business or IT. I tried to stand in between to help both sides understand each other and to form a bridge. After my degree, I started as an integration consultant, and over the years, I've been a developer, software architect, and now a solution architect. This channel is for me not only to share my knowledge, but also to solidify everything I'm still learning together with you. I do not know everything, and if I'm wrong, I want you guys to tell me that. Because nobody's perfect, we all make mistakes. It's just a matter of getting up and doing better. Together, I hope we can all keep learning and growing. I will be going over all kinds of stuff I've learned, things I'm trying to learn, or things I'm interested in. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I will come back with some really awesome videos I've been working on. So, thank you for watching TimmerTech. There will be more to come. If you have any questions or you want to show me something, just comment below. I will leave information in the description below the videos about what's going on. So yeah, again, thanks. Have a good one. See you guys around.